Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I'm sorry I missed yesterday, all the action, but always pick a great day to be doing something important, and it had to be done. But anyway, here's where we were yesterday. Last time I sent anything out was early in the morning. I sent a video out, saying that we had made this 3-drive to a bottom pattern here. We went up, we tested it, we were sitting right here. Then I was done. And then, of course, a few minutes after that, this thing was hit. Now, this was going up. You can see it just made the 382 here. It was on its way up, and then the market rallied like the third biggest move ever. However, there have been others. Let me explain to you what happened in 1995. At 10:30 in the morning, and we were trading the large S&Ps at the time. It was $500 a point. Alan Greenspan came on, and he actually dropped interest rates, I believe, 0.75%. I believe it was either 95 or 96. I'm not sure. However, what happened was the market went limit up, and that was it was a huge amount. And that's before we had limits. We have limits on them now, but there were more bankruptcies in the Chicago Mercantile Exchange Trader Group that day than there were during the crash of 1987. Now, folks, remember, when you're dealing in these financial markets, these fellows all went to the same schools, they eat at the same restaurants, they dated the same girls, so they know each other very, very well. So the fact that this stuff is not leaked should not be a surprise to anyone. It doesn't happen very often, but this was, in fact, an outlier event that is for all the ages, because it was a huge amount. Stop and think, folks. We went from 48.50 in the morning all the way up to 55.50. Folks, that's 700 handles. That's a lot of money. Now, also, you want to remember, when we were looking at this on the longer-term daily pattern, you were setting exactly at the 61% retracement of the October low back to right there. So it was due for a rally. And what did it rally to? It rallied exactly up to 50%, and here's where we are right now. However, there are a lot of opportunities here for trading all day long. Let's just look at the Dow E-mini here just for a second, because we just had a big rally just taking off right now, and we're going to see if we make that 382. There's where we were this morning. We had a 382 here, a 382 here, a 382 here. Now we had a move just now based on the news that the European Union is taking tariffs off Chinese goods. So the first thing you're doing on a real strong downtrending day like that, and you get news,